Welcome back to We Watch That Too. Bad Villain. We got last time a recommendation from YouTube basically, and we found them, and we loved that
Yes.
song so freaking much. And apparently they have another music video, Hurricane. I want to see it.
Yes.
Yeah, don't forget we have a Q&A going on our community tab in our channel. Please go there, leave a question if you'd like to ask us anything. It would be amazing to make a video as a thank you for reaching 1,000 subscribers. And yeah,
Yeah. Let's get into the hurricane.
Bad Villain.
What a start.
말보단 행동 jet팩을 메고 I take off 내 팬의 애교쟁이 rappers 잔챙이들을 쓸어버린 echo
Crown taker coming out the underground savior 거슬리다 너와 나의 정체성 거칠이 너를 긴 돌아버리겠어 빙글빙글의 smile waking up raw 뒤에서 날아가 I'm on a fire 머리 위를 밟아 stomping 눈에지는 감각을 도pen 원하면 더 어때서 너를 다 보이지 You think I'm stupid
눈에 불이 켰어 cell phone 걔는 이미 졌어 cell phone 기도 전에 I could trust on my bros 덤비다가 다쳐 빨리 포기해 너네 My flag wave like ocean My plans 전망이 sunshine
I can't. I need to pause like, dude!
Holy fuck. They start so hard.
They started with an amazing flow.
Yeah.
No, let me, shh. So, the song started super hard first. Then her voice and the flow, amazing. Then I wanted to pause at the end of her flow, but another amazing flow started and then another one. What is with this band?
Oh my god.
We're gonna
They
start
go
it from the
crazy.
beginning. Yeah, they go crazy.
Hey, yeah. 말보단 행동 jet팩을 메고 I take off 내 팬의 애교쟁이 rappers 잔챙이들을 쓸어버린 echo
Crown taker coming out the underground savior 거슬리다 너와 나의 정체성 거칠이 너를 긴 돌아버리겠어 빙글빙글의 smile waking up raw 뒤에서 날아가 I'm on a fire 머리 위를 밟아 stomping 눈에지는 감각을 도pen 원하면 더 어때서 너를 다 보이지 You think I'm stupid
눈에 불이 켰어 cell phone 걔는 이미 졌어 cell phone 기도 전에 I could trust on my bros 덤비다가 다쳐 빨리 포기해 너네 My flag wave like ocean My plans 전망이 sunshine My backup 쟁이 녀석들은 못 올라와 우리 상상 I'm crazier than crazy one You know that I'm different like alien 무대는 나타나면 난리여서 적당히 나도 은근해리야 Talking all the beats
Can they chill?
No.
Like my
Don't.
flag wave like the ocean. That was nice.
Yeah.
It's like, I think it's not the first thing I got, but like maybe the only thing I got this so far, because like
There's so much going on.
들은 못 올라와 우리 상상 I'm crazier than crazy one You know that I'm different like alien 무대는 나타나면 난리여서 적당히 나도 은근해리야
Talking all the beats who you are 닿기 전에 귀에 추월하지 like 버티기는 머리 dynamite up and 하면 다르지는 drop On the screen, on the scene, on the screaming 다른 느낌, 다른 느낌 I got a feeling 내 주위는 쏟아져 hurricane 내 주위는 쏟아져 hurricane Ready, wing, wing 울리는 경보 buildings on fire With the name on everywhere 안 보는 게 더 어렵다고 말은 notorious Hey buddy, it's your way you wanna go
God.
got best you from body tangos
여왕이 된 듯이 걷고 표정은 dry
oh my freaking god, the chorus was great. The transitions are the when it goes the verses from one to another.
Yeah.
It's
so
so
smooth.
smooth and the flow.
I
they
think
have different flows, but like
yeah, but they work together. Also, I think when they started the chorus, they said something like "Let's switch it up" or some. I heard that, and it's
yeah.
funny because they switch up the song.
and the chorus it's more towards pop.
Yeah, they sing.
But
and-
it works so much in this type of song. Dude, I'm gonna say it, I don't even care. Hip hop in America, at least the female versions suck.
I was actually thinking that I was like, what are
There's
English-speaking female
Dude,
rappers doing?
There's nothing close to it. Nothing,
Yeah.
not flow-wise, not lyrics. I mean, these are not like super hard lyrics, but they have some double
Yeah.
entendres somewhere.
Yeah.
They trying something new.
Yeah.
Like, I'd never seen anything in top American hip hop
Mm.
on the female rap
Like this.
that goes as crazy as this.
Yeah.
Never.
No, I agree. I don't listen to a lot of rap. I listen to like Doja Cat, I guess, and like it doesn't compare.
No, it
Even though
doesn't-
I
it
like her,
doesn't
but
compare.
it doesn't compare.
Yeah.
Whenever way I'm born together 어렵다고 말은 notorious Hey buddy, it's your way you wanna go Got best if nobody done goes 여왕이 된 듯이 걷고 표정은 dry Step by step, we're moving to the next one
Taking over the sound, taking over the world 떨어져 봐봐 let's go 바뀌는 너의 표정 아무리 눈은 너
그노선을 넘어 얘만 leave me annoyed 부셔버려 front door 아무 때나 엉터리로 만들어버리고 청소
쓸려나가는 너는 dusty My team go big, you tiny We spinning and spinning on what? No my location, we sliding
Who's gonna make it stop boy try me From the bottom to the top drip lightning Hop on the ride 어떡하는 것만은 알리 똥 모르니까 자꾸 완리 now winning is my only finale 내 다르게 달리 노릇실이 이상한 나로로 보내버리고 나 또 finale
Her accent there were like, you tiny.
Yeah.
I love that part. Try to match my watch, the face change your eyes, there's too shy. Here somewhere, no?
Yeah.
Taking over the world 떨어져 봐봐 let's go 바뀌는 너의 표정 아무리 눈은 너
그노선을 넘어 얘만 leave me annoyed 부셔버려 front door 아무 때나 엉터리로 만들어버리고 청소
쓸려나가는 너는 dusty My team go big, you tiny We spinning and spinning on what? No my location, we sliding
Who's gonna make it stop boy try me From the bottom to the top drip lightning Hop on the ride 어떡하는 것만은 알리 똥 모르니까 자꾸 완리 now winning is my only finale 내 다르게 달리 노릇실이 이상한 나로로 보내버리고 나 또 finale
And it had some fairy tales.
Yeah.
Dorothy,
노릇실이
Wonderland.
이상한 나로로 보내버리고 나 또 finale Nobody did it like we do before We'll keep you coming back to ask for more They wanna know,
Yeah.
wanna know How we'll be running up the game for sure On the screen, on the scene, on the screaming 다른 느낌, 다른 느낌, I got a feeling 내 주위는 저토하대 every game 내 주위는 저토하대 every game
Yeah, okay. They came like a hurricane in our fucking feed, and I love it.
So true.
I see that they have like this thing that they always band together more people.
Yeah.
It's not like one or at most 2%.
No,
like
it's like
in
at
US
least
hip hop.
4.
It's
like,
yeah, it's always a bunch of a
Yeah, but
bigger
it's
group.
awesome.
Yeah, it's awesome. It's awesome because they have like different voices.
Yeah. And what's
the
crazy
flow goes different
is-
for each one of us.
And what's crazy is that they're all really good.
Yeah.
Like it's not like, oh, one of them is like they're all amazing and
Yeah, because
talented.
usually you have in a group not
You-
necessarily a weak person, but some people stand out way more than the
Yeah,
others in
some
a group.
people stand
That
out,
happens.
but here, yeah, I think it's amazing that they have like 6 or 7 and they're all fucking amazing. Like,
yeah.
what?
I think because they, I don't know, they practice a lot together
Yeah.
and stuff like that, and probably singing way more together than each person in a different
Yeah.
studio helps them with that.
Yeah, holy fuck.
My God. My God. I want more from them. Like, Bad Villain, please recommend us more. Like, I don't know, I want a Japanese hip hop, Korean hip hop. Give us in the comments something like that because it's amazing. Yeah, we added a donation button link in the description. You can help us even more than just a like and subscribe if you'd like to. You don't have to. If you donate $10 or more, you can suggest a song that we're gonna react to it as soon as possible. And thank you for watching.
Thank
That's
you
it
for
us.
watching. Bye.
Bye.